Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Chef with a Beard. So in today's episode, I've decided that I'm gonna experiment with Disney's new recipe that they've just brought out to the public, their grilled cheese sandwich. I'm really excited to be able to try this out. I was planning on going to Disney World this year. Obviously that's probably not gonna happen for a little while, but in the meantime, I'm gonna try this one out and let's see how it does. See you there. So in today's recipe, we're gonna need your choice of bread. I'm going to use some white bread here, half a cup of cream cheese, half a cup of shredded cheddar, some sliced cheddar, some sliced provolone cheese, some heavy cream, so that's 2.5 tablespoons, quarter of a tablespoon of coarse salt, and we're also going to need some minced garlic, so that's going to be 1.5 tablespoons. So for the garlic spread, we're going to use some mayo. It's going to add in our minced up garlic and some coarse salt, and we're just going to mix that all up really well, and then we're just going to set that aside. So for the cream cheese spread, we're going to add in to a large bowl, we're going to add in the cream cheese, our shredded cheddar, some more coarse salt, and our heavy cream. So with all these ingredients, we're going to blend that all up. So we're just going to blend this till it's really well combined. Okay, so we're just going to take that and we're going to set it aside and start building up our sandwiches. So when building the sandwiches, we're going to add, on one side, we're going to add 2 slices of the sliced cheddar, and on the other side we're going to add in 2 slices of provolone. So this recipe actually builds for 4 people, but I'm actually just going to be making 2 sandwiches here. So on top of the provolone, we're going to add that nice cream cheese spread that we just made. And you're just going to spread it nice and evenly over top of the provolone. Okay, so once we've done that, we're just going to grab our other part of the slice and we're just going to cover that on top, just like that. Next, we're going to grab the garlic spread that we just made. On one side for now, we're just going to spread that on top of the sandwich. Alright, let's set up our pan here. So we're just going to set the pan on a medium heat, and you're going to set the garlic spread side down a medium heat the whole time, and it's going to be roughly 2 minutes per side, or until it starts to get golden brown and the cheese is nice and oozy. So while the first side is starting to heat up, we're just going to add some more of the garlic spread on the other half of the sandwich. So after 2 minutes, we're just going to flip this one over. Oh yeah, look at that nice golden color. Cheese is starting to slowly melt away here. So we're going to let this go for another 2 minutes. We're going to take it off and we're going to check this out. Here. Oh, look at that. Oh, that nice beautiful cheese oozing out of there. Let's take a bite of this. Holy cow. God, that is good. Wow, thank you Disney, this is awesome. I'm definitely going to start making my grilled cheese like this. I gotta step up my game here, that's for sure. So you guys are really interested in this recipe, definitely check it out. It's amazing, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, if you liked today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, guys. See you later. Enjoy.